the People's Republic of China. The Ministerial Conference so agrees.
For over 1 billion Chinese, the country's entry into the World Trade Organization is a moment filled with cheers, but followed by mounting challenges in the following decade. China promised to open the market by bringing down tariffs. The ensuing flood of the giant multinationals put tremendous pressure on the country's small and medium-sized enterprises. Li Mingliang runs a private fish processing company. The heavy competition once nearly forced him into bankruptcy. But today, he sees opportunities rather than challenges in the global free market.
Today, my products can not only be sold in China, but are exported to neighboring countries like Japan and South Korea. The whole world can be my potential market. A decade ago, that was unimaginable.
But the rise of Chinese exporters has caused concern in many countries. Even the world's superpower is struggling to cope with the flood of low-cost Chinese goods. Some of U.S. manufacturers have either shut down or turned to other businesses. Developed countries like the U.S. and Japan now seem to be more interested in regional trade agreements like the TPP that excludes China than a global free market. Some experts say that this could result in trade protectionism and split an integrated global market into fragments.
The irreplaceable role of WTO is the DSP system, which is the dispute settlement system. Regional agreements do not have a sort of a dispute settlement vehicle. The only measure is retaliation.
Over the past 12 years, China's entry into the WTO has lifted hundreds of millions of people out of poverty in China and reshaped the global economy. That's particularly true during the global financial crisis, when China's continued growth becomes a stabilizing factor and a catalyst for the world's recovery. Today, experts say that any Trans-Pacific regional agreement without the participation of China would be incomplete. Han Peng, CCTV, Beijing.